Hey everyone, how are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will be talking about how to do a poll on Instagram with pictures. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get into our video. First of all, just open Instagram and from here just tap on this your story. And here I just want to mention a thing that if you want to do a poll with pictures, then you just have to create a collage of your picture. For example, I have just edited this picture for making a poll on Instagram. So you just have to edit your picture. Okay, and after that just click on this icon at the top, and here you can see an option of poll. Just tap on this, and by default the poll options are yes or no, and you can always change these options. So I will just change this as A or B. Okay, now I will just click on this send to. Now if I tap on this my story, then you can see that I have created this poll. So I have got 1 vote for option A and 0 vote for option B. So this is how you can add a poll on Instagram. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.